Nah, I ain't never fell in love, but I don't mind that. Don't waste time with these niggas, cause that's something I gon' get back. Just know that I mean it when I tell you that I love you. And no, there's not a problem, I do anything for you. I gave you my all, and you know this for a fact. But the times that I needed you, you never had my back. But I always kept you up, and I never put you down. You had my head up in the clouds and let me hit the ground. Cause you kissed me then dissed me, got mad and hit me. Saw that I moved on and told you you missed me. I could've walked away, but I chose to stay. I wanna be his bae, I never see the day. I'm drinking pokes now and popping pills for him. He know I kill for him and pay the bills for him. But a woman's mind, what a work of art. So I took his heart and ripped all his feelings apart. Then I packed up, I said I'm leaving now. He begged me not to go, so what you pleading now? I told him souls bleed and his need surgery. But I am not a doctor, closed eyes can also see.